Alright, I don't know why, but it started working. And I tried this without the battery before and it wouldn't turn on. Um, like I said, the finish on this thing feels funky, like it's gummy. It's just like, it reminds me of that texture that they put on like certain things that wears off and leaves a scummy feel. Um, I cleaned it with rubbing alcohol, and I think you can almost kind of see whatever it is. And it seems to be improving, but I don't know what. So I looked on Amazon, and that just shut down on me. I looked on Amazon and I found batteries for like $8, or two of them for like $16. Okay. Anyway, the battery is also taking a charge as well, but it needs to be disposed of. It's got issues. So, I don't know what I'll do with it. I don't know if I can use it for anything in particular. Um, I don't know. I wonder if this just turns off that display. Yeah, that turns off the display. What the hell? Interesting. The screen doesn't look like what we're seeing here. Um, it looks normal. I don't know why my camera is picking it up with a hue of blue to it. It looks completely normal. Anyway, so it appears that it works. So for another $8, I can buy a battery. For another $20, I can buy 2 batteries and a charger. Don't know if it's worth it, but anyway, if I would have known this thing was going to be as gummy feeling as it is, I wouldn't have bought it. I totally wouldn't have bought it, but if it's inside the case, I don't know, it might not be a problem. You're not going to record any audio with it if it's in the case. I don't know how good of audio you're going to record, just like it is anyway, so I'm not sure if it's worth keeping it or just taking it back or whatever. But anyway.